case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1985, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit became embroiled in a debate that had tax experts and business professionals captivated, whether a business lunch could be filed as a tax deduction. This unique case spotlighted a Chicago-based lawyer, Moss, and the lunchtime meetings he held at Cafe Angelo, a local eatery. Moss, alongside his colleagues, frequented Cafe Angelo during their lunch breaks to review case files and allocate court calls. Given the nature of their work, a hefty caseload of defense cases, their lunchtime rendezvous provided the only feasible time frame to discuss casework. The courts were in recess during this period. Consequently, Moss viewed these meal expenses as ordinary and necessary, terms outlined within Section 162A of the tax law, which identifies these expenses as potentially tax deductible. Despite these arguments, the tax court disallowed Moss's claim for a tax deduction, precipitating an appeal. The contention rested on determining whether these expenses were strictly business-related or were entangled in personal motives and enjoyment. The location's convenience, the nature of the engagements, and the cost of the meals played pivotal roles in the court's assessment. Unfortunately for Moss, the higher court upheld the decision of the tax court, ruling against the tax deductibility of these lunchtime meetings. The court reasoned that Moss had failed to provide sufficient evidence to substantiate the necessity of these meals and cite they were more affordable than other options. Thus, Moss found himself not only saddled with lunch costs, but also on the hook for tax on their fair value. The case shone a spotlight on the fuzzy boundary between business and personal expenses, fueling discussions about the nuanced aspects of tax law and deductions. As professionals continue to navigate the gray areas of business deductions, this ruling remains a testament to the high evidentiary standards required to justify them.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.